Okay, I know everything's a mess and it looks like hell, but I'm pretty sure you can see there's smoke coming out of here. I'm hoping you can anyway. Alright, smoke's coming out. That's a 12 ohm heater at 7 volts with the fan and the heater on the two different, this is my usual volt regulator, this is the Boost Buck regulator. So I'm putting out less than 0.5 amps at 7 volts at full speed. I got 14 volts to the track. Train's screaming right now, okay? Smoke's coming out. Now I slow down. I slow down to 90 and amps are still there, but we're still at 7, so we still have smoke. Now I slow down to 60, that's about 12 volts. We're still sitting at 7 and we're still smoking. I come down to 30 and the volts drop to 3 volts, but then they slowly climb back up. 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 6, and here's smoke. A smaller amount of smoke, but it's smoking at 6 volts. 2.5 amps. So the amps have increased with 10 volts. What it's doing, it's converting the 2.5 amps into volts and creating the 6 volts where it couldn't before. And we have the fan running at the low speed, so we got smoke at 30 miles an hour. That's very low speed smoke. And then when we crank up to 60, of course, heats back up to 7, smoke's a little heavier. So the smoke drops at 30, but picks back up and smokes. I'm okay, I'm okay. I have to say, the chip is warm, so I'm going to put the heat sink on it here in a minute. But I'm doing this test while I'm waiting for a part to print. Oh, the part's done. Okay, gotta go. Gotta finish this. Gotta finish this baby up for Mark. It's you know, this packaging stuff is always a problematic thing, but we're getting there. Got these. I got that part and another part, and then I'm ready to button it up. So anyway, thought I'd show you smoke at 30 miles an hour. There it is. Smoke at 30 miles an hour and at full speed. So it doesn't overheat. Oh, and the other thing I was going to show you. I've got my hand on this right now, touching it because I can. And the beauty is, this is my 3D printed plastic housing. At 7 volts, I don't have to build a fiberglass house. 7 volts and 12 ohms, my plastic will handle the temperature and not get soft. It's not soft. So simplifies a lot of things for me and eventually for you. Okay, so I'm gonna button this up, put a mount on it, put it in that diesel over there, maybe tomorrow, not tonight. I got to finish this engine, but in any case, progress. The new controllers are in. I got a whole bag of them. Got a bag of the new ones, I got a bag of the old ones, so I can handle one on the fan and one on the heater, and we can have diesel smoke at low speed and high speed. Very good. Okay, gotta run. Later.